Hi guys, so today we're gonna show you my LOL pets. First, this pink one. So I got this one just today. She's so cute. I'm gonna show you her bottle. It's so cute. Very cute. Her pooper scooper. Her shoes. Her necklace, and her glasses. Oh, and her litter box. I don't know why she has a litter box. I'm gonna put these away. Now I'm gonna show you this one. This one I didn't got today. It was on like 1 month ago. I think it was 2 or 1. So I got it this doggy. She's so cute. Maybe some people have her like golden and stuff, like gold. She loves gold because she's a DJ. Can I do it now? And this litter box, so she loves gold a lot because she's a DJ dog. DJ K9. Now I'm going to show you the golden one, which it has 2. Okay, there we go. Okay. So I got it this soft one today. So soft. And her glasses, this one too. Their bag, it has a soccer ball in it. A pooper scooper, this thing, a water bottle, another pooper scooper, and